I think it's important because I think it is a fundamental category. I think, we can talk about the category of God, and the like, which is an important category, but I think myth is just as important as that category. And I think it's important because we can't study religion apart from myth. I mean, there is no, and I tell my students this, there is no such thing as religion without narrative. You can't imagine any tradition that we know of apart from story of gods, story of archetypal figures, story of imagined events, the apocalypse, and the like. All of that, is driven by narrative, and then also, for the history of religion, myth, existed much longer, has a much longer history than what I referred to recently as this kind of discursive rationalistic tradition, and so myth comes first, then comes all the rational stuff, philosophy or what have you. But what's interesting, what makes myth very potent is that religion persists because of myth, and religion lives because of the narratives, and the narratives are all around us, and so the student of religion, I think, has to deal with the pervasive nature of myth and the profundity of myth, and it's just an inescapable category. I think it's a basic, fundamental category. It's a fundamental starting point for talking about religion.